Welcome to Naga College Foundation, College of Business and Management, where your future in the business world begins. We offer a variety of programs tailored to equip students with knowledge.
Welcome po sa ating mga viewers.
Ayan, good afternoon Bicolandia. Nagbabalik po tayo sa ating Bukal Season 6. So right now, it's a matchup between the MPCF Blue Dolphins and the Pasaka White Tigers Juniors Division. I'm Rick Puerta and together with me is Mark, ang aking partner, at makakasama natin all throughout this game. Now, nagsisimula na nga ang bakbakan between these two teams.
And partner, we are starting the first quarter between Pasakaw Academy White Tigers and Mariners Blue Dolphins. Ngayon, nakikita natin that the ball possession is on the Mariners Blue Dolphins. And that's the first 2 points. I mean the second 2 points in favor of Mariners Blue Dolphins. So meron na po tayong score ngayon, 4-0 na po. Lamang po ng 4 na puntos ang ating Mariners Blue Dolphins. Ayan, recap lang tayo, Rick, no? Kanina naglaban ang ACLC at yung kalaban nila kani-kanina lang, no? And it was an intense and exemplifying game with those both teams.
So let's see kung gano'n rin ang mangyayari dito sa dalawang komponente. But for the meantime, let's call our courtside reporter on the side of Pasaka White Tigers. Hi Liz, ano update dyan?
The Pasakaw Academy White Tigers is now set to take another formidable opponent, the Mariners Polytechnic College's Foundation Blue Dolphins. A high-flying afternoon, Bicolandia. We are here live at the Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium for another game day of Bukal Season 6 Juniors Division's men's basketball. As I had a conversation with Coach JP a while ago, the assistant coach of the Blue Dolphins, he managed the team's morale and motivation after a challenging week last week after playing with the Olympians by giving a pieces of advice to the players. He also said that they are now all set to take another steps and pour their hearts to the hard court. Will the Pasakaw Academy will finally have a sweet taste of victory, or will the Blue Dolphins will have a sweet taste of victory in this game? Let's find out only here on One Media TV 48 Naga, Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. This is your courtside correspondent, Christine Habala, reporting from the bench of the Pasakaw Academy White Tigers. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Liz, for that update sa parte ng Pasakaw Academy White Tigers. Yan, makikita natin dito, Rick, kung paano nga ba nag-ensayo ang ating Pasakaw Academy White Tigers at kung anong mga strategies ang kanilang gagawin for this game.
Ayan ang dapat nating abangan, Pasaka White Tigers. Uhaw ngayon sa panalo to get their first win dito sa Bukal Season 6. And let's wait kung ano ang magiging game plan dito na inhanda for this game. On the other side of things, let's call our courtside reporter on the side of the MPCF Blue Dolphins para magbigay ng information. Kyla, take it away.
Thank you, Mark and Rick. Good afternoon, Bicolandia, at sa lahat ng nakatutok pa rin sa atin live at One Media, TV 48 Naga, and Oragon Sports TV. We are now on the third game for today's matchup, Pasakaw Academy versus the Mariners Blue Dolphins. For the Blue Dolphins, their preparation for this game, they focus on maintaining their good defense na nawala sa kanila during their last game. They focus on adjusting their 2-2-1 dropping defense for this game. In terms of offense, they focus on maintaining their shooting that can help them for this game. Coach Atan continuously reminds them to always focus on the game, always listen to what he says, and improve their communication inside the court para gumana ang kanilang team chemistry for this game. That's all for now. This is Kyla Casulia reporting on the side of the Mariners Blue Dolphins. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Kyla, for that update sa parte ng ating Mariners Blue Dolphins.
So let's see on that 2-2-1 defense coming from the MPCF Blue Dolphins. As we can observe, 8-2 on our scoreboard, an early lead on the side of their team. So another game plan ang ipapakita dito ng ating Mariners Blue Dolphins. So on the side of Pasakaw Academy, first quarter jitters on our Pasakaw Academy White Tigers. 6 minutes and 59 seconds remaining on our first quarter here, Mark.
And ngayon, makikita natin kung anong mga strategy, anong mga depensa at opensa ang ipapakita ng Pasakaw Academy White Tigers at ng Mariners Blue Dolphins for this game
Ayun nga,
this
Mark.
afternoon.
Live na live pa rin tayo sa One Media TV 48 Naga Facebook page, Oragon Sports TV Facebook page, and Bukal. So tutok lamang sa ating mga live viewers na gustong manood ng Bukal Season 6.
At kahit umuulan ngayon, Rick, no, ang init pa rin ng laban natin between the Mariners and the Pasakaw Academy dito sa Adno Gymnasium for this afternoon. And now, ball possession ng ating Mariners Blue Dolphins. Ngunit na steal ng ating Pasakaw Academy. Now they will aim a point. They want to aim a point on our game.
Pasakaw White Tigers on the offense. Jersey number 14 looking for his teammate. What a great pass and great execution on that last play. So another 2 points was added on their side. 8-4. They are down 4 here sa ating unang quarter.
Yes, at mahaba pang ating oras, Rick, no? For the first quarter, we have 5 minutes and 57. And here's jersey number 14. That's good for 2 points. That will be added on their team. 8-6
yes.
na po ang ating nasa talaan.
Another steal coming from the Pasakaw White Tigers. Tight defense on the side of their team. Nahihirapan dito makaproduce ng score ang ating Blue Dolphins.
Grabe yung depensa, partner, no, ng ating White Tigers. At yung opensang pinapakita ng ating both teams for this afternoon.
So 8-6, mapapatawa nga dito ng timeout ang koponan ng Blue Dolphins because naghahabol dito ang players or ang team ng Pasakaw White Tigers. For the meantime, pasalamatan natin ang ating mga sponsors. We have Dinaga College Foundation, Gold Glofa Construction, ACLC Naga, Lemon Residences, Ateneo Dinaga University, NCF Wings, KD Sportswear and Apparel, Garden Cafe, Nagayan Travel and Tours, NCFB Gallery and Museum, Tigers Cafe, NCF Training Pool, NCF Indoor Firing Range, and this live is powered by Converge ICT Solution.
And now, partner, shout out muna tayo sa ating mga live viewers from our Facebook Live. Hello kay Marian Beranya, Matt Aaron, Andy Kilian, Nicole Plofino, and Jamela Ekat. Ayan, thank you so much po for watching Bukal Season 6 only here on Oragon Sports TV.
Ayan, partner, back to the ball game and ball possession ngayon ng Pasakaw White Tigers. Jersey number 4, we'll try for that 3, no good. Offensive rebound para dito sa kanilang koponan.
Pero nag-aagawan sila, partner, ng bola ngayon. And now, a whistle coming from the referee.
Turnover on the side of White Tigers. Now, MPCF on the offense.
Hindi nagkakalayo, partner, ang score ng ating White Tigers at ng Blue Dolphins sa mga oras na ito, no? 2-point lead ang kailangan na habulin ng ating White Tigers for this moment, and we have 4 minutes and 54 remaining for the first quarter.
And another point conversion on the side of Blue Dolphins. Now, Francisco looking for that 3 points, no good. Offensive rebound. Jersey number 3 with the ball. Passes the ball to his teammate, and on the other side, at 3 points, no good. Now, chance for the Blue Dolphins here to score.
Now, ball possession ng Mariners Blue Dolphins. But a steal from the Pasakaw Academy White Tigers. They want to aim for a point para makahabol dito sa Mariners Blue Dolphins.
Back-to-back still for both teams. And out of bounds ball on that last sequence. That's why automatically ball possession ngayon ng White Tigers. And we
Now,
would like to commend the band of Pasakaw White Tigers na pumunta pa dito sa Naga galing Pasakaw just to support their team.
kahit ang layo partner ng Pasakaw, no, the spirit of the PA community is was felt here in the Adna Gymnasium.
Now it's their ball possession. Again, no good on that attempt. Now, Blue Dolphins, maaagawan pa ng bola dito. Now, Bio pass the ball to Francisco on that corner with 3 points.
That's a good 3 partner, no? And that will add to our Pasakaw Academy White Tigers. At bababa sa 1 puntos ang kalamangan ng ating Mariners Blue Dolphins. Now, ball possession ng ating Mariners Blue Dolphins.
The ball will stay on the Blue Dolphins side. And substitution on both teams para dito sa ating first quarter matchup. 1-point game para sa ating Blue Dolphins and it's their ball possession. Chance para madagdagan dito ang kanilang kalamangan. But a miscommunication between the players of this Blue Dolphins. Now, White Tigers
Ball
may
possession
hawak
ngayon
ng bola.
ng White Tigers. Now, Bio. Mananatili pa rin sa White Tigers ang bola.
Now, Pasakaw, White Tigers. Kailangan nila ditong pumuntos if they want to steal the lead para dito sa ating first quarter of the match.
At hindi partner nagkakalayo ang score ng Blue Dolphins at ng White Tigers. 1 puntos lang po ang ating kalamangan for this quarter.
A close fight for this first quarter. Now, Pasakaw will try, but the ball will stay on their side again. 7 seconds to shoot para sa kanilang kupunan.
Now, ball possession again of the White Tigers.
5 seconds remaining.
We have Patricio.
And a 24 shot clock violation was called on the side of Pasakaw Academy. So, turnover para sa kanilang kupunan. Blue Dolphins magkakaroon dito ng tsansa. And as we can see on our screen, nagkaroon dito ng collision inside the court at dumugo ang labi ng isang player ng Blue Dolphins on that last sequence.
Which was unexpected, no, partner? Hindi natin inaasahan ng mga insidenteng mangyayari within the game. But now, Mariners Blue Dolphins basketball. We have Sambahon. De Leon to shoot for 3. And that's good. Adding 3 points on their scoreboard. 13-9 na po ang ating score.
What a nice 3 points coming from the Blue Dolphins and a whistle coming from our referee. Jersey number 77, pushing foul. Now, chance for the White Tigers here to score. Pasakaw, White Tigers to inbound. Now, Bio.
Aiming
Fires
for a 3.
In and out ball, but offensive rebound. Another opportunity for their team.
However, napalakas ata partner ang pasa ng ating White Tigers. And now for the inbound.
7 seconds to shoot. At magkakaroon dito ng 2 shots. Si Patricio on the Pasakaw White Tigers. Chance to cut the lead here.
Maaga pa, partner, pero pinapakita na talaga nila kung gaano kadeterminado ang White Tigers at ang Blue Dolphins para makakamit ng puntos sa ating elimination round here on Bukal Season 6.
Another great game ahead para sa dalawang kupunan. Now, Patricio misses that opportunity on their side.
Now, ball possession partner ng ating Blue Dolphins. We have Sambahon.
And seconds to shoot.
5 seconds to shoot. They need to shoot this because
What a nice defense showing para sa Pasakaw Academy, forcing this Blue Dolphins to commit a turnover. Now it's their chance here to score for their team because it's their ball possession. Now Bio to inbound. Oriol to Bio. The too small but terrible player of this Pasakaw Academy. Now Oriol looking for his teammate. 8 seconds to shoot and a 3
that's
points.
good. That's an additional 3 points, partner, para sa Pasakaw Academy White Tigers.
And we are down to our 49 seconds of the first quarter.
And 1 point lead na lang, partner, ang kailangang habulin ng ating Pasakaw Academy.
What a great block coming from Escano on the side of Pasakaw White Tigers.
Maganda, partner, ang depensa ng ating White Tigers ngayon.
Now, Blue Dolphins, kailangan nilang makapuntos. But another still, muntik pa nga maagaw dito. Again, 24 shot clock violation was called on Blue Dolphins. That's why chance ulit dito ng ating Pasakaw White Tigers to score.
Pangalawang shot clock violation to na na-receive ng Mariners Blue Dolphins for this quarter.
Oriol to Bio. 20 seconds to shoot. Miscommunication, out of bounds ball. So bola ngayon ng Blue Dolphins.
Now we have 19.54 seconds remaining for the first quarter with 13-12 on our scoreboard. 1 point lead para sa Mariners Blue Dolphins. Aiming for 3, but that's no good.
What a great steal and great points coming from the Blue Dolphins. 5 seconds to shoot. That's the end of our first quarter, 15-12. And lamang po dito ang Blue Dolphins. Magbabalik po kami only here at Oragon Sports TV.
Liga ng mga Kampiyon. And now we're back here sa Adno Gymnasium, live na live on our Bukal and Oragon Sports TV Facebook pages. Nanonood po kayo ng laban between Mariners Blue Dolphins and Pasakaw White Tigers. We are on the second quarter, partner. Bago tayo nagtapos ng first quarter, we have the score of 15-12. Lamang po ng 3 puntos ang ating Blue Dolphins.
Now, traveling violation was called on the player of Pasacao Academy, White Tigers. Now, Blue Dolphins on the offense right now.
Nagkakaroon ng communication ngayon partner ng ating Blue Dolphins.
Great block there coming from jersey number 8 on the side of Pasacao Academy. Now, Blue Dolphins, 10 seconds to shoot.
Grabe yung lakas talaga, partner, ng defense ng ating Pasacao Academy ngayon. While on the other hand, Blue Dolphins is making their way to get a point here.
Another shot clock violation para dito sa Blue Dolphins. Now, Pasacao White Tigers on the offense.
Grabe yung speed na pinapakita ng both teams for this quarter.
The ball will go on the side of Blue Dolphins. Turnover was committed on the side of White Tigers.
And now, ball possession ng Mariners Blue Dolphins. We have Sambahon. And now, na-steal ng ating Pasacao Academy White Tigers ang bola. And now, para makaingi tayo, partner, ng update mula sa Mariners Blue Dolphins, let's hear from our courtside reporter, Kyla. Kyla, anong update natin dyan?
Thank you, Mark and Rick. We are now on the second quarter of this matchup. During the huddle, they are reminded to have an adjustments on their game plan. Coach Atan continuously reminds them to avoid and lessen their turnovers and always focus on the ball. They need to double their effort on executing properly the system and plans that Coach Atan have set for this quarter. They need to be consistent on their performance and they need to be confident inside the court. That's all for now. Back to the panel.
And thank you so much for that information, Kyla. So stick to their game plan. Yan ang pinaalala dito ng head coach ng Blue Dolphins. Because as we can observe right now, we are deadlocked at 15. So kudos on the side of Pasacao Academy for erasing that gap on this second quarter.
Yes. And now, partner, para makahingi naman tayo ng update sa side ng Pasacao Academy White Tigers, let's hear from our courtside reporter, Liz. Liz, anong update natin dyan?
The White Tigers' rigorous preparations and intensive training has reflected during the first quarter of this game. They showcase a prowess in the hard court, yet despite all the efforts, the Blue Dolphins dominated the first quarter with a 3-point lead. Coach JP reminded the White Tigers that all they have to do to dominate the second quarter is proper communication, and now they're all set to bounce back in the second quarter. That's it for the latest happenings here at the courtside. Back to you, Rick and team.
Ayan, thank you so much, Liz, for that information. So yun nga, ito na ang bounce back na hinihintay ng Pasacao White Tigers. As we can see on our scoreboard,
Yes,
18-15, 3 points advantage on the side of Pasacao White Tigers.
Bumabawi na, partner, ang ating White Tigers in this quarter. Now, ball possession ng ating Mariners para mahamol ang kalamangan ng ating White Tigers. Gumagawa sila ng paraan. And
Now,
that will make a point, partner. An
Yes.
additional 2 points sa parte ng Mariners Blue Dolphins.
so back to 1-point lead para dito sa ating laro on the side of Pasacao White Tigers. A very close and tight match between these two teams. Now, Patricio was blocked, but an offensive rebound para dito sa White Tigers. Agawa ng bola. And still, the ball will go on the side of the White Tigers and hiyawan on the Pasacao Academy community.
Grabe yung competitiveness ng ating dalawang koponan this afternoon. Talagang gustong-gusto talaga nilang makuha ang puntos para sa ating elimination round for this season.
Now, mag-shoutout muna tayo sa ating mga live viewers dito sa ating laro. Shoutout dito kay Zaldi Vargas, Yamilka Wayne Ramirez, Marilis Zuzkaid, Praya Delmara, and kay Coach Brian Ayon na nanonood sa atin live na live.
Thank you so much po for watching Bukal Season 6 only here on Aragon Sports TV. Now, ball possession ng Mariners, Blue Dolphins, and an additional 2 points will be added to their team. At lamang na ngayon, partner, ng 1 puntos ang ating Mariners Blue Dolphins.
1 puntos lamang dito ang palaging pinag-aagawan ng ating dalawang kupunan na ito. Now, substitution on both sides. And the ball possession will go on the side of the White Tigers. Oriol to inbound.
And now, ano kayang strategy ang gagawin ng ating White Tigers?
What a great 3 points
Wow.
para doon sa ating Pasakaw White Tigers.
At tuwang-tuwa, partner, ang community ng Pasakaw Academy dito sa Adno Gymnasium. A whistle coming from the referee.
2 shots ang ibibigay dito sa Blue Dolphins. On that last sequence, jersey number 21 committing a foul on that last sequence. So yun nga ang sinabi ko doon a while ago on the side of the PA. White Tigers, these small but terrible players ng kanilang kupunan. Kanina nga, nagpakawala dito ng 3. Now, Blue Dolphins on the offense right now.
Pasakaw Academy is giving their great defense para hindi makapuntos ang ating Mariners Blue Dolphins. Pero a whistle coming from the referee. Okay. Jersey number 21 from the White Tigers. That's Luan Singh. Committed a foul for the 2nd time.
Now, Blue Dolphins, they need to score, but what a steal. Grabe ang pag-agaw na yon ng Pasakaw White Tigers. Now, Oriol, the jersey number 221, tries for that. Too short. Now, Blue Dolphins.
Pero
May hawak
gustong
ngayon ng
steal,
bola.
partner, ng ating White Tigers ang bola. Pero
But a foul was called on jersey number 14.
from the Pasakaw Academy, partner, that's Bio.
Grabe ang pag-a-outplay ng dalawang kupunan na ito within each other dito sa loob ng hard court.
At isipin natin, partner, ang aga pa. Ang aga pa. We are on the 2nd quarter.
But a nice 2 points added on the side of the Blue Dolphins. Again, deadlock at 21. So foul was called on jersey number 24. Pushing foul.
24, that's Beltran.
Now Oriol to inbound para dito sa ating laro on the side of the White Tigers. Jersey number 23. No good. Offensive rebound para dito sa White Tigers.
However, nagkakaagawan ngayon, partner ng bola.
What
Ang
a
lakas.
nice block on the side of Blue Dolphins. That's why libreng layup para dito sa Blue Dolphins.
At nasa Blue Dolphins na, partner, ang kalamangan at this moment.
Another nice pass on the side of Blue Dolphins. Kaya naman mapapatawag dito ang Pasakaw White Tigers ng time out. 25-21, magbabalik po kami.
And we are back here at Bukal Season 6, live at Oraga Sports TV and Bukal Facebook pages. Now, we are on the second quarter with 4 minutes and 50 remaining. 25-21 po ang ating nasa talaan. Nunguna pa rin po ang Mariners Blue Dolphins. And now, ball possession ng ating Blue Dolphins.
15 seconds to shoot.
Nahihirapan, partner, ang ating Mariners Blue Dolphins na makapuntos dahil sa matinding depensa ang pinapakita ng ating Pasakaw Academy.
But now makakakuha ng 2 points ang ating Mariners Blue Dolphin on the last play, 27-21. So jersey number 3 on that free throw opportunity para madagdagan pa dito ang kanilang puntos.
Okay, now on the free throw line, we have Badong. That's good. And now, ball possession of the White Tigers.
But another steal on the side of the Mariners and another great layup. Tuloy-tuloy na nga dito ang pag-arangkada ng Blue Dolphins. What a great defense and offense showing on the side of Blue Dolphins. Pero this time, libreng puntos para kay jersey number 5 on the Pasakaw Academy. Ang gandang opensa at depensa ngayon ng Blue Dolphins ang binibigay sa atin. Talaga na-outplay dito ang Pasakaw White Tigers. What would be the adjustment on their side if they want to secure this game?
Nagsasagutan na sila, partner, ng pag-shoot sa bola natin on the basket. And now,
another whistle coming from our referee, and Badong using his height advantage here to tower those players of Pasakaw White Tigers now on that free throw opportunity sa kanilang team. Missed a shot on that para dito kay Badong.
so we have 30-23 on our scoreboard. Lamang ng 7 puntos ang ating Mariners Blue Dolphins. At nadagdagan pa nga, partner, ng 1 puntos na kalamangan ang Mariners Blue Dolphins.
This time, better communication on the side of Pasakaw White Tigers. 25-31 sa ating talaan. Pero another 6 points pa ang kailangan ditong habulan at trabahuhin ng Pasakaw White Tigers.
And now,
Rebound on their side, and now Oriol will try for that, and Oriol will score.
that's good! At tuwang-tuwa ang community ng Pasakaw Academy dito. Now, jersey number 27.
Now Belir, may hawak ng bola para sa ating Mariners.
Escano, no good.
Great steal on the side of the PA White Tigers. But a wasted opportunity. Pero Atienza on that rebound and steal. But jersey number 4 turning that one into a point. At mapapatawag na ng timeout dito ang Blue Dolphins,
Yes,
because
partner.
slowly but surely this Pasakaw Academy talagang ginagawa ang lahat para makadikit on the scoreboard of this second quarter match.
At 2 puntos na lang, partner, ang kailangang habulin ng Pasakaw Academy White Tigers para pareho ang kanilang score for this quarter. 31-29 po ang nasa talaan natin with 2 minutes and 29 remaining for the second quarter.
As we can see on our screen, it's on the side of the Pasakaw White Tigers. Talagang naghahabol sila dito para hindi lumamang ng marami dito ang Blue Dolphins. 31-29 on our scoreboard. And Blue Dolphins side naman, napatawag nga ng timeout to settle things up dahil nahahabol na nga sila dito ng kanilang opponent. Now, back to the ball game tayo.
Papalapit na ng papalapit ang White Tigers. Ang tanong dito, kung kaya bang mahabol or mahabol ba ng ating White Tigers ang kalamangan ng Mariners Blue Dolphins. Now, we're back to the ball game. Mariners Blue Dolphins ball.
Traveling violation was called on the player of this Mariners Blue Dolphins. So turnover on their side. Now, at the end, sa itatawid ang bola ngayon on the side of Pasaka White Tigers looking for their teammate but fires for that long three. And why not? Makakakuha ng 3 points on that last sequence ang ating Pasaka White Tigers and getting their 1-point lead here in our second quarter.
Grabe, yung long three na yon, partner, no?
Now, back to PA, ball possession. Oriol choosing his teammate. What a great connection. But the Blue Dolphins magkakaroon dito ng magandang steal. Now, it's their chance here to score at para may balik sa kanila ang kalamangan.
Yung part na yung partner, no? Ang ganda ng communication na ginawa ng ating PA White Tigers, no? And now, De Leon for that good 3-point shot.
His own version of 3 points and a great steal for the Blue Dolphins. Dagdagan pa yan ng 2 para dito sa ating second quarter.
And now, 36-32. Bumalik sa Mariners Blue Dolphins ang kalamangan. Pero nahabol na ng ating PA White Tigers. 36-34. 2-point lead na lang po ang kailangang habulin ng ating White Tigers.
We are down in our 48 seconds of our second quarter match. Blue Dolphins ball possession.
Now they want to aim a point.
5 seconds to shoot. Back-to-back steal for both teams now. Fires for that one! What a great basket! At samahan pa yan ng foul dito sa ating laro.
Ang
Let's
ganda.
take a look on that.
Sabi.
5-point lead on the side of Blue Dolphins. And let's see kung madadagdagan pa nga dito ang kanilang kalamangan. And another one, 40-34 on our second quarter.
6-point lead, partner, ang kailangang habulin ng ating PA White Tigers.
15 seconds to shoot. But a foul was called on the player of this Mariners Blue Dolphins. 20 seconds remaining para sa ating second quarter. Now Francisco stepping on that free throw line for 2 shots.
And now, kailangan ng PA White Tigers na makahabol para makalamang sa ating Blue Dolphins.
Now Francisco on his second attempt. This one, a clean basket for him. 5-point lead. Ang hawak ngayon ng Blue Dolphins. And now they are on the offense inside this hard court.
With 13 seconds remaining for the second quarter. Last 10 seconds.
Great block. 4 seconds remaining. No good.
No good.
And that's the end of our first half. 40-35. 5-point lead ang hawak ng Blue Dolphins. Magbabalik po kami only here at Oragon Sports TV,
Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Welcome to Naga College Foundation, College of Business and Management, where your future in the business world begins. We offer a variety of programs tailored to equip students with knowledge, practical skills, and experience to prepare them for the challenges of the global marketplace. Our dedicated faculty members are industry experts and are committed to hone future entrepreneurs, marketing professionals, and business leaders. Begin your quest towards a successful career in business at NCF College of Business and Management. Enroll now and be a certified business-minded tiger.
And now we're back here at Bukal Season 6. We are now on the third quarter sa pagitan ng Mariners Blue Dolphins at Pasacao Academy White Tigers. 40-35 po ang ating nasa talaan. Lamang po ng 5 puntos ang ating Mariners Blue Dolphins.
Now, ball possession ngayon ng Pasacao White Tigers. Attempts for that 3 and no good. So, hawak nga natin dito ang halftime analysis on that halftime game between these two teams. So, this MPCF has a lot of starter points coming from their bench here. 30 contra 27 on the side of this Pasacao White Tigers. And offensive rebound then, 14 kontra sa 10 ng ating White Tigers. That's why labang sila on that first half. Let's see dito sa ating pangatlong quarter kung makakakuha na ba dito ng magandang momentum ang Pasacao White Tigers, or will the Blue Dolphins still dominate this ball game?
Ang taas ng defensive at offensive rebounds partner ng ating Blue Dolphins on the first half of this game. Now, ball possession ng PA White Tigers.
No good. Still from Badong. Now, Blue Dolphins with the ball right now.
We have Sambahon there. Okay.
10 seconds to shoot para dito sa Blue Dolphins. The ball will go on the side of the Pasacao White Tigers. They need to score here para sa ating third quarter.
Medyo lumalaki partner ang kalamangan ng ating Blue Dolphins. 9 na po. 9 point.
And a great steal and point conversion para sa Blue Dolphins at madadagdagan ng 2 puntos ang kanilang kupunan. And to hear an update on the side of this Blue Dolphins, let's call our courtside reporter Kayla. Hi Kayla, anong update dyan? Ayan, babalikan nga natin maya-maya ang ating courtside reporter para sa update on the side of the Blue Dolphins. Now, jersey number 24 on the side of Blue Dolphins stepping on that free throw opportunity at para
Yes.
madagdagan ulit dito ang kanilang kalamangan. At ayun nga, mukhang ready na dito ang courtside reporter ng MPCF Blue Dolphins. Kayla, anong balita dyan?
Thank you, Rick and Mark. We are now on the third quarter of this matchup after a continuous point during the second quarter because of the steals, a good offense and defense of the players. Kaagad naman itong nabawi ng kabilang team. So coaches reminds them to not be complacent every time they have the advantage. During the huddle, the Blue Dolphins are reminded to double their hustle. Kailangan masipagan dahil meron pang natitirang dalawang quarter for this game. Ika nga ni Coach, wag na wag mapagod. I-apply lahat ng kanyang sinasabi for a continuous momentum. That's all for now. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Kyla, for that update sa parte ng ating Blue Dolphins. Double the hustle. Ika nga ni coach ng ating Blue Dolphins. Now, we are back to the ball game. Blue Dolphins aiming for a point, but no good. Offensive rebound.
The shot clock violation again for
Yes.
this Blue Dolphins. 48-37 on our scoreboard. And to hear an update on the other side of things, Pasaka White Tigers, courtside reporter Liz, anong balita dyan?
In the first half of the game, both of the teams are determined to have the ball possession. They are such a shooting clinics, showcasing their precision. Meanwhile, since the Blue Dolphins dominated another quarter, the White Tigers must strengthen their offensive and defensive strategies. They also need to lessen their turnovers to thwart the opponent. Coach JP stressed that the White Tigers should utilize their 1-3-1 zone defensive strategy to dominate the next quarter. Now, the White Tigers are ready to snap back for the second half of the game. That's it for now. Back to you, Rick and Mark.
Thank you so much, Liz, for that update on the side of PA White Tigers. Ayan, bawasan ang turnovers. Yan ang sabi ng ating coach from PA White Tigers. Now, on the free throw line, Francisco. No good.
Now, the PAY Tigers, kailangan nilang i-minimize ang kanilang errors because they are behind it dito sa ating third quarter, 37-48.
Ayan, medyo lumalaki na, partner, ang lamang ng ating Blue Dolphins sa quarter na ito. Now we have 6 minutes and 36 remaining for the third quarter. Now, shoutout muna tayo, partner, sa ating mga viewers online. Hello kay Marian Molina, Elaine Neo Francisco, Andy Kalian, Monica Napoles, Luis San Andres, Jamela Ekat. Thank you so much for watching Bukal Season 6.
10 seconds to shoot para dito sa Blue Dolphins. No good. But still coming from the Blue Dolphins. De Leon may hawak ng bola.
And the whistle, partner, coming from the referee was called on the side of Mariners Blue Dolphins.
Double dribble violation on the side of this Blue Dolphins. Now chance for the Pasakaway Tigers here to score on the other side. No good for that 3-point attempt. Now agawan ng bola dito. Tight defense on the side of the Pasakaway Tigers, forcing Blue Dolphins to have a traveling violation.
Grabe, no? Puwersado ang ating Blue Dolphins at ang ating White Tigers for this quarter. With 5 minutes and 49 remaining, 48-38, 10-point lead ang kailangan habulin ng ating PA White Tigers.
Now it's their chance to bounce back here because it's their ball possession. We'll try again. This time, makakapasok na ang 3 points dito sa ating Pasakaway Tigers.
And now, ball possession of the Mariners Blue Dolphins. Sambahon.
Turnovers para dito sa ating Blue Dolphin. And a substitution para dito sa kanilang kupunan Dumalasa. Ibabalik ngayon sa loob on the side of the Blue Dolphins.
Now, ball possession ng ating White Tigers. We have Patricio. Pio to Patricio. Patricio aiming a point. Offensive rebound, but no good.
Now, Blue Dolphins on the run here. Dumalasa. Passing the ball to Sambahon. Now, 10 seconds to shoot on the side of the Blue Dolphins.
They need to shoot that kasi kung hindi,
Badong will force that one, pero still on the side of the Pasaka White Tigers. Pio makakakuha ng basket count. Samahan pa yan ng foul. Let's take a look one more time for this replay. What a move coming from Pio
Ang
on that
ganda.
last play.
ang ganda nung pagkaka-layup na ni Pio from White Tigers.
And now, let's see kung makakadagdag ba dito ng puntos on their side si Bio. And a clean basket. So 3 points overall for him on that last sequence.
At naibaba sa 4 na puntos ang kalamangan ng Blue Dolphins na kailangang habulin ng ating White Tigers. Now, ball possession ng ating Blue Dolphins. Sambahon. Aiming for 3. That's no good.
Now, Pasaka White Tigers. But still, on the side of Blue Dolphins, fast plays for both teams. But a troubling violation, crucial for the side of the Blue Dolphins. That's why the Pasaka White Tigers, kailangan nila ditong makapuntos and take advantage of those turnovers committed on the side of Blue Dolphins.
However, steal from the Blue Dolphins.
Another wasted opportunity for these Blue Dolphins. Pasaka White Tigers, offensive rebound here. Taking their time. And now 10 seconds to shoot.
But a steal partner coming from the Blue Dolphins. Espejo.
In and out ball. Last touch on the side of Blue Dolphins. So technically the ball will go on the side of the White Tigers.
Grabe, nagiging intense partner ang laban ng Blue Dolphins at ng White Tigers sa mga oras na ito. 48-44, 4 na puntos po ang kalamangan ng ating Blue Dolphins.
Now Blue Dolphins, or rather White Tigers, matatawagan dito ng traveling violation on that last sequence. Now Blue Dolphins, kailangan ditong magkaroon ng puntos sa bahon. Choosing Beltran and Dumalasa looking for their big man here. Badong forcing this one, pero no good. Pasaka White Tigers with a ball possession, heavily guarded here, pero
Here's
Oriol,
Oriol.
grabe.
Wow.
At again, para dito kay Oriol. And time out ang hihingin dito sa side ng Blue Dolphins kasi dalawa na lamang dito ang kanilang kalamangan.
Yes,
48-46 on our scoreboard. At para mag-shoutout naman tayo dito sa ating mga live audience na nakatutok kanina pa sa ating first game. Shout out to Christine Reyes and shout out to James Angelo Gabarda and kay Ma'am Janaila Basales. Thank you so much po.
Ayan. Shoutout din sa ating mga live audience here sa Ano Gymnasium at sa mga nanonood sa ating live broadcast on Bukal and Oragon Sports TV. Special shoutout kasi nung nakaraang araw pa ito nagpapa-shoutout sa akin. Hello kay Miss Nicole Vargas.
Ayan, thank you so much for your overwhelming support.
Yes.
Mapa-live stream man and dito sa loob ng ating Ateneo Dinaga Gymnasium. Back to the ball game tayo kasi nag-iinit na ang bakbakan between Blue Dolphins and White Tigers. So 2 shots will be given para dito kay Beltran on that last sequence.
Now Beltran on the free throw line.
Out
That's no
ball.
good. Now, ano kaya magiging strategy ngayon ng ating Blue Dolphins para umangat ang kanilang score at malamangan pa ang ating White Tigers? That's good. That's additional 1 point to them. Now, ball possession ng ating Pasakaw Academy.
3 points ang kailangan nila dito.
Mhm.
In and out ball, pero offensive rebound on their side.
No
Too short
good.
on that attempt. This time,
Libre,
Beltran.
libre.
Sayang on that opportunity. Now pa sa White Tigers. Kailangan nila dito makapuntos because
Amoranto.
sila ang kailangang humabol. At yun nga, another great basket for the side of White Tigers.
Let's see this replay partner from Amoranto. That's a good 2-point shot mula sa ating Pasakaw Academy White Tigers. Now,
1-point game. Ball possession pa rin dito ng Blue Dolphins. Fires for that 3! And what a 3-point shot coming from Domalasa on that last sequence. Ayaw ditong magpahabol.
ayaw magpadaig ng ating Blue Dolphins pero ayaw din na magpatalo ng ating White Tigers sa laban na ito. We have 1 minute and 44 remaining for the third quarter. 52-58 po ang ating nasa scoreboard.
But on the last sequence, turnover on this side of this Mariners Blue Dolphins. Sayang sa kanila na sanang ball possession. But now, Pasakaw Academy on the offense right now. 14 seconds to shoot.
That's a foul. That's not only a normal foul, partner. That's a technical foul.
Foul was called on player of this Pasakaw Academy. But Domalasa, on the other hand, mabibigyan or matatawagan dito ng technical foul on the side of the Blue Dolphins.
Now, anong strategy ang gagawin ng ating dalawang kupunan para maihabol? Okay? Para lumamang ang ating Blue Dolphins at mahabol naman ang kalamangan dito sa ating laro.
Now, 2 shots for jersey number 20 on the Pasakaw Academy White Tigers. At yun nga, ang sinabi ko kanina, Domalasa, mabibigyan dito ng technical foul on that last sequence.
And now on the free throw line, partner Oriol.
They need this free throw. And Oriol, makakakuha dito ng basket.
And now, ball possession. On the free throw line, we have jersey 77, Dumalasa from the Mariners Blue Dolphins. But no good on that opportunity. Another free throw. Let's see kung makakapasok ba ang bola sa ating basket. And that's good, adding 1 point to their team. 53-49 on our scoreboard. 4-point lead po ang kailangang habulin ng ating Pasakaw Academy White Tigers. Now for inbound. Beltran. Beltran wants to aim a point. However, Offensive rebound. No good pa rin. That's good.
Blue Dolphins producing a couple of points on that last play. And we are down to our 1 minute and 8 seconds para sa ating third quarter. Pasaka White Tigers. Nahihirapan dito.
Grabe yung eagerness na pinapakita ng White Tigers at ng Blue Dolphins sa mga oras na ito. And we have 51 seconds remaining. Jersey. Aiming for 3, but that's no good.
Now, Pasaka White Tigers. May hawak ng bola. This time, it was good para sa kanilang kupunan.
At nakakahabol na nga ang ating White Tigers. 4 na puntos na lang ang kailangan nilang makamit.
No good. Ball will go on the side of the White Tigers. Again, Blue Dolphins. Hindi dapat maging kampante dahil ang Pasaka White Tigers paunti-unti na naman dito humahabol.
Now, aiming for 3. Sumobra ang ating White Tigers now. Hindi pa tapos ang laban. Meron pa tayong 0.34 seconds on the clock. Now on the free throw line, we have jersey number 24 from the Blue Dolphins, Beltran. That's good.
Back to 5-point lead on the side of Blue Dolphins. Beltran on his second attempt. See kung makakakuha nga, and a clean basket. 6-point lead on the side of the Blue Dolphins. 57-51 on our scoreboard. And don't go away because when we come back, ando na tayo sa ating fourth and final quarter only here at Oragon Sports TV.
Liga ng mga Kampiyon. And now we are on the fourth and final quarter of the game between Pasakaw Academy White Tigers and Mariners Blue Dolphins. 57-51 po ang ating nasa talaan. 6-point lead. Ang kailangang bawiin, kailangang mahabol ng ating White Tigers. Now let's have this replay.
time out para dito
Mhm.
sa ating Pasakaw White Tigers. Kasi 10-point lead na dito ang hawak ng kanilang kalaban, which is the Blue Dolphins. And
Ano
remember
kayang-
that this is the final quarter for our game. So kailangan nila dito pag-igihan at makakuha ng sunod-sunod na puntos para maagaw ang kalamangan dito na hawak ng Blue Dolphins.
Ano kaya magiging strategy ng ating White Tigers para mahabol ang 10 puntos na kalamangan ng ating Mariners Blue Dolphins? And now we're back to the ball game. Now, ball possession ng ating White Tigers. We have Atienza. Passes the ball. Subio. But a great steal from the Leon of Blue Dolphins.
Now, Sambahon looking for his teammate but still on the side of the White Tigers.
Grabe yung opensa at depensa ng ating dalawang koponan ngayong fourth quarter at tumahabol na nga partner ang ating White Tigers at tumagdag ng 2 puntos ang kanilang score.
Now, Beltran to his teammate. Taking the time here, 10 seconds to shoot. Fires for 3, no good.
Now, Bio to inbound now. The ball ay nakay Atienza. Atienza. Pinasa kay bola. And that's good. And now, para makahingi tayo partner ng update mula sa side ng ating PA White Tigers, let's welcome again Liz. Liz, anong update natin dyan?
Now we are down to the last quarter of this game, and the Mariners Polytechnic College's Foundation Blue Dolphins has been dominating the quarters ever since the first quarter. Now they will utilize. The White Tigers are now more determined than ever. They will utilize the 1-2-2 defense for this quarter. That's paired with their presence of line. Habol kung habol, laban kung laban, dahil depensa ang kanilang kailangan. Hindi the White Tigers are pouring their hearts out for this game, and they're cutting no corners to clinch this battle. Witness who will have a sweet taste of victory only here on One Media, TV48 Naga, Oragon Sports TV. Higan ng mga kampyon. This is your courtside correspondent, Zine Habala, reporting from the bench of the Pasakaw Academy White Tigers. Back to you, Rick and Mark.
Thank you so much, Liz, for that update sa parte ng PA White Tiger.
Na. Now, Blue Dolphins on the offense right now. De Leon was blocked, but a great steal for both teams. Badong choosing Dumalasa this time. What a great 3 points coming from Dumalasa on that last sequence, at samahan pa yan ng foul dito sa ating laro. Wow. And to hear an update sa kanilang kupunan on the other side of things, MPCF Blue Dolphins. Courtside reporter Kyla, anong update dyan?
Thank you, Rick and Mark. We are now on the last quarter of this matchup, and for the final quarter of their game, the Blue Dolphin needs to double their effort on contributing for their team. Dikit nga ang laban, kaya kailangan nilang masipagan for the last quarter of the game. Coaches reminds them na ibigay na ang lahat. Huwag nang bigyan ng kumpiyansa ang kalaban and continue to pressure their opponent. Makuha na kaya ng Mariners Blue Dolphins ang kanilang unang panalo for this season? Yan ang ating dapat abangan at tutukan. Dito lang yan sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga, mga kampiyon. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Kyla, for that update sa parte ng Mariners Blue Dolphins. And now, back to the ball game. Escano for 3. That's a good shot. At bumababa na nga ang kalamangan ng ating Mariners Blue Dolphins. 67-58. 9-point lead. At 9 points na lang kailangan habulin ng ating White Tigers. Now, Escano. That's an additional 2 points on their team. Grabe ang pinapakitang communication, opensa at depensa ng ating White Tigers. And now, ball possession ng ating Blue Dolphins. Beltran. Aiming for a point. However, steal. Sumobra ang hagis ng ating White Tigers doon. Now, ball possession of the Blue Dolphins rather.
Now, Blue Dolphins, dapat talagang huwag maging kampante at this moment because Pasaka White Tigers producing a couple of scores here sa ating final quarter at naibaba na nga dito sa 7 ang kailangan nilang habulin to tie this match or even malamangan pa dito ang Blue Dolphins. Now, Blue Dolphins on the offense right now. Kung gusto nilang manalo dito, kailangan nilang dagdagan pa ang kalamangan. Badong, first for that one, in and out ball.
At
Nagawa
nagagawa
ng
ng
bola. The ball will go on the side of the White Tigers. So turnover para dito sa Blue Dolphins.
Natawagan si jersey number 21 ng Mariners Blue Dolphins ng foul. Now, ball possession ng ating White Tigers.
This is great news for the Pasaka White Tigers because they are making some adjustment here. Now, turnover para dito sa White Tigers.
Now we have jersey number 21 to inbound. Rumalasa to De Leon. Now bola ng ating Pasakaw Academy White Tigers. They are
White
trying
Tigers.
to get a point.
Kailangan nilang pumuntos. The ball will remain on their side. Ano kaya ang gagawin dito ng White Tigers para makahabol sa natitirang 5 minutes and 8 seconds of our game?
7 puntos na lang, partner, ang kailangang habulin ng ating White Tigers. And that will subtract ang kalamangan ng ating Blue Dolphins, 67-62. 5 puntos na lamang po ang kailangang habulin ng ating White Tigers.
Ayan, basket count, samahan pa ng foul on that last sequence. Now, jersey number 42 on the side of this Pasakaw Academy White Tigers stepping on that free throw line for an opportunity para maibaba pa dito ang kanilang hinahabol on the side of Blue Dolphins and a basket.
At bumaba nga, partner, sa 4 na puntos ang kalamangan ng ating Blue Dolphins. Now,
another foul and another turnover para dito sa Blue Dolphins.
substitution sa parte ng Blue Dolphins. Now, ball possession ng ating White Tigers. Aiming for a point.
What a great point conversion. Now,
Wow!
naibaba na dito sa dalawa ang kanilang dapat habulin and kitang-kita on that replay ang ginawang point conversion ng ating Pasaka White Tigers. What a game for these two teams. talagang pinapainit dito sa loob ng Ateneo de Naga Gymnasium. Now, Blue Dolphins on the offense right now. Layup, no good. Chance for the Pasakaw White Tigers to tie this matchup at 67. Or baka nga, malagpasan pa. No good on that 3-point attempt. Now, chance for the Blue Dolphins here to score.
2 puntos lang kailangang habulin ng ating White Tigers ngayon. Grabe ang depensa ang pinapakita ngayon ng ating White Tigers. Now, De Leon, 7 seconds. That's no good. Now, jersey number 16, Zuniga.
What a game between these Blue Dolphins and White Tigers. Grabe. Fast plays at outplaying each other for that couple of minutes na nakita natin in that last sequence. But what still on the side of Blue Dolphins, libreng-libre on that layup. Back to 4-point lead on the side of this Blue Dolphins.
Ayaw magpatalo, partner ng ating Blue Dolphins. Here's Badong. Now,
Beltran will try, but no good. Out of bounds ball on the side of this Pasakaw Academy. Sayang nga on the side of their team. But timeout called on the side of the Pasakaw White Tigers because 4 ulit dito ang kanilang hahabulin. Magbabalik po kami para dito sa ating fourth quarter match. And we are back here sa loob ng Ateneo de Naga Gymnasium sa pagpapatuloy ng bakbakang White Tigers and Blue Dolphins. And this is our fourth quarter of the game with a remaining time of 3 minutes and 19 seconds. Abante pa rin dito ng 4 ang ating Blue Dolphins, 69-65. What will be the adjustment on the side of the Pasakaw White Tigers to tie this match up or even still that lead? And what would be the game plan here ng ating Blue Dolphins because they are in a row right now?
yes, 4 na puntos na lang, partner. Ang kalamangan ngayon na Blue Dolphins aiming for a point. However, eto na, Bio, but no good. Steal from the Blue Dolphins.
What a
However,
great steal.
Grabe. Nag-aagawan ngayon, partner, ng bola ang ating Blue Dolphins at White Tigers sa fourth quarter.
Maraming nasayang na opportunity on that last play para dito sa dalawang koponan na ito. Back-to-back steal. What a game para sa dalawang teams na ito. So the ball will go on the side of the Blue Dolphins.
Now to inbound, here's jersey 21, De Leon. Ano kayang gagawin? The strategy ng ating Blue Dolphins para hindi sila malamangan ng ating White Tigers. Now, offensive rebound. That's good from the side of Mariners Blue Dolphins, adding 2 points to their score, 71-65.
Pasakaw White Tigers needs to score. Agawan ng bola dito, Dumalasa. Sambahon, choosing his teammate, passing that ball. Heavily
10
guarded
seconds.
here. But what a point coming from the Blue Dolphins, and we are down to our last 2 minutes of the game.
3-point shot, but no good. Here's Escano. Foul was given, partner, to the side of Mariners, so Blue Dolphins. That's a pushing foul. And a free throw shot will be given to Pasacao Academy White Tigers. On the free throw line, we have jersey number 42, Escano.
They need this one.
Mhm.
But no good on Escano. Medyo mahaba-haba pa ang 1 minute and 45 seconds para dito sa ating laro.
Marami pang mangyayari, partner, sa 1 minute and 45 na natitira natin for the fourth quarter. And that's good. That's an additional 1 point to the White Tigers.
Now, Blue Dolphins, kailangan nila ditong maging maingat at kailangan nila ditong bantayan ang kanilang lead. And Dumalasa will try for that 3, no good. Atienza on the rebound.
Now, anong gagawin na strategy ng ating Pasacao Academy?
But what a steal on the side of the Blue Dolphins. Beltran. Beltran was blocked. And a
However,
rebound on the side of the White Tigers. Now, Bio to Atienza.
Atienza to shoot. Grabe. Intense na intense ang ating laban for this afternoon.
Now, foul was called on Sambahon. So Atienza having a 2 shots on that free throw line.
But that's no good. They should take advantage of this free throw para makahabol sa ating Blue Dolphins. Now, for the last free throw shot, we have Atienza. But
No good, pero offensive rebound and a point conversion on Liscano from that last play. 57 seconds remaining para dito sa ating laro. But a turnover on the side of Blue Dolphins. That's why Pasacao Academy magkakaroon dito ng tsansa para magkaroon pa ng puntos. Now Atienza
Ang lapit.
taking
Ang
his
lapit,
time
partner.
here. Escano, what a great layup coming from Escano.
Nice one! 7-3-70.
3-point lead
Yes.
on the side of Blue Dolphins.
Gigil na daw, partner, ang mga nanonood sa ating live stream on Bucal and Oragon Sports TV for this live action here at Adno Gymnasium.
Now back to the ball game. Blue Dolphins with the ball possession.
Mahabol ba ng ating White Tigers ang kalamangan na 3 puntos ng Blue Dolphins?
Sambahon will try. No good. Now,
Versus Cano.
Pasacao. White Tigers with the ball possession. The ball will go or stay on the side of the White Tigers. Now 25 seconds remaining
Grabe.
para dito sa ating laro. 3-point lead. Grabe. What a tight and close match between these two teams. Talagang sulit na sulit ang panunood ng ating mga audiences dito sa loob ng Adno Gymnasium.
Isang 3-point shot lang ang kailangan nila. But that's no good.
Now, a foul was called on Bio on that last sequence. Crucial foul was called on their team. That's why magkakaroon dito ng 2 shots ang ating Blue Dolphins. Kailangan nila ito para at least masecure nila ang larong ito.
Now,
No good on that first attempt.
we have De Leon on the free throw line from the Blue Dolphins. Now, papasok kaya ang free throw na ito? That's good. And a timeout, partner, was called by the Pasakaw Academy White Tigers. Grabe, ang daming possibilities ang pwedeng mangyari. Ang daming possibilities ang pwedeng mangyari dito, partner, no? Pwedeng makahabol pa ang ating White Tigers o tuluyan ng iuuwi ng ating Blue Dolphins ang panalo. Now, mamaya after this game, we have our next game, our last game for today. ADNU, Ateneo de Naga University Golden Knights versus University of Nueva Cáceres Greyhounds. Later po yan, mamaya-maya po after this game. Here at Bukal and Oragon Sports TV.
And now, back to the ball game tayo. 13 seconds remaining on our game. And let's see kung anong gagawin dito ng Pasakaw White Tigers.
Is this the end of the game or aabot pa tayo ng isang overtime for this? That's no good! With 8 seconds remaining.
3 seconds remaining para dito sa ating laro at mapapatawag pa ulit nga ng timeout ang Mariners Blue Dolphins para dito sa ating laro. 74-73, 74-70 on our scoreboard, and the Blue Dolphins community, they are feeling it. And also, the players of these Blue Dolphins talaga excited na para makuha ang kanilang unang panalo dito sa ligang ito.
At ramdam natin dito sa loob ng ADNU Gymnasium ang intense, ang init ng laban sa pagitan ng Blue Dolphins at White Tigers. Let's see if the Blue Dolphins will secure a win for this game or Pasakaw Academy will still revive for this game.
Foul ang itatawag dito on the side of the Pasakaw White Academy. Now Badong on the free throw opportunity para dagdagan pa dito ang kalamangan ng kanilang kupunan and to make sure na meron sila dito magandang panapos on our game. Let's see on his second attempt. No good.
No good.
And that's the end of our game. Blue Dolphins securing their first win here sa Bukal Season 6 with a score of 74-70 on our scoreboard. Don't go away kasi makikilala natin maya-maya after the commercial ang ating best player of the game. Only here at Oragon Sports TV.
Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Our best player of the game is brought to you by V Gallery and Museum. Showcase artwork made by local artists in the Bicol. Our best player of the game is jersey number 21 with 17 points, 7 rebounds, 2 assists, and 5 steals from the Mariners Blue Dolphins. Jersey number 21, John Michael De Leon. Hello, John Michael. Grabe, ang git-gita ng laban nyo against the Pasakaw Academy. Matanong lang kita, how does it feel na nakuha nyo na ang inyong unang panalo for this season?
Nag-ensayo lang po kaming araw-araw, straight pong kompleto. Tapos, nagpapasalamat man po kami kay Lord. Tinawan niya po kaming kusog para magkautig di sa po may na-injure sa mo. Enjoy man po. Salamat.
John Michael, grabe yung shooting mo kanina na nakatulong talaga sa inyong team. Matanong lang kita, ano ba yung personal reminders mo sa sarili mo before mag-start ang game na alam mong nakatulong sa'yo?
Tiwala lang po sa sadiri, saka permi pong magpangadya lang po. Yan po.
At John Michael, dahil ikaw ang ating best player of the game, batiin mo na mga gusto mong batiin.
Binabati ko po sa kay Ma'am Nenet and Sir Artan pa sa team po ng Mariners. Tapos nagpapasalamat man po ako sa magulang ko nagtatawan po nila akong na yung kusog buot. Yan po. Tapos salamat man po sa mga team ko na naging tabang man po sinda sa muya. Ayan lang. Tapos sa mga tropa ko pong sa shoutout po sa mga talented all-star. Ayan lang po.
Thank you so much and congratulations. There you have it, jersey number 21 of the Mariners, the Blue Dolphins, John Michael De Leon. This has been your concert reporter, Kayla Casulio. Balik sa inyo, Mark and Rick.
Ayan, congratulations to our Mariners Blue Dolphins, especially to our player of the game, to jersey number 21, Mr. John Michael De Leon. Congratulations, partner.
Ayan, talagang kitang-kita natin ang efforts ng dalawang kupunan na talagang binigyan tayong na mainit na laban inside the hard court. Congratulations to both of these teams and don't go away because sa pagbabalik ng Bukal Season 6, matutungay natin ang ADU versus UNC only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Again, my name is Rick Puerta.
And I am Mark Christian Amante. Tutok lang, dito lang sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.